What if you cannot return to work because of your car accident? One concern that people sometimes have after a serious car accident is what happens if your injuries are permanent or prevent you from returning to work. In North Carolina personal injury cases, the law may allow compensation for income that was lost because of the accident. This can include lost wages that you missed while you were recovering from your injuries. And in more serious situations, the claim can include future losses if the injury affects your ability to return to the same job or to earn the same type of income that you were earning before your accident. Evaluating those issues often involves looking at medical opinions, work restrictions, and information about a person's employment or earning history. Insurance companies and courts may also consider how the injury affects your ability to perform your job and whether limitations are expected to be temporary or long-term. Every case is different and every injury is different, but when an injury interferes with somebody's ability to work, those economic impacts can become an important part of their North Carolina personal injury case.